Hello guys, welcome back to my page. So we have another question from Neco year 2024 objective, and this is question 45, talking about permutation and combination. And there are some key terms that you need to know. The first is we have to know factorial. Also, how do you express the permutation formula and the combination? So let's look at the question together. So we have if n permutation 3 divided by n combination 4 is equals to 6. So we are asked to find the value of n. So here we have to look for the value of n. So in this question we have permutation and combination all together. So the first thing we need to know is how do we express factorial. So if I say n factorial is n into bracket n minus 1. We have to keep reducing the value of n. Also n minus 2. Let's stop here, then we can now add factorial. So if we don't stop here, we can still continue by saying n minus 3, n minus 4 till we get to what? 0 factorial. And 0 factorial is 1. This is what I'm saying. I can decide to extend by saying n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, then dot 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 0 factorial multiplied by 0 factorial. And you have to know that 0 factorial is equals to 1. So the other thing we also need to know is we have n permutation r. Whenever you have n permutation r, we have n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Also, we also need to know n combination r. If you have n combination r, that is, we have n factorial divided by n minus r factorial r factorial. So you have to have known all this. What do we call n factorial? N permutation r and n combination r. So knowing all this now, we can now go to the question. Then we can see how we can solve. So, alright, solution. So we have n permutation 3. So we can express it as n factorial n minus 3 factorial. That's the numerator. The denominator is n combination 4 factorial. So we have n factorial n minus 4 factorial 4 factorial. Now, since we have known this, we can go back to the question. So we have our numerator and we have our denominator. So let's express this. We have n factorial n minus 3 factorial, then divided by n factorial n minus 4 factorial 4 factorial, everything equals to 6. So we can change this, the reciprocal, then the sign will change. This sign will change to what? Multiplication. Then denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So let's move on, and we have n factorial n minus 3 factorial multiplied by n minus 4 factorial 4 factorial divided by n factorial. So everything equals to 6. Then this can cancel out. Then we can, from the understanding of n factorial, we keep reducing. So we can reduce this from n minus 3 factorial, we can reduce it to n minus 3, n minus 4 factorial, so that we can cancel out something there. So let's see. So we have n minus 4 factorial 4 factorial. Then the operation here is going to be n minus 3, then n minus 4 factorial, then everything equals to 6. Then this can cancel this. Then we are left with 4 factorial n minus 3 equals to 6. And don't forget, 4 factorial is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So that's 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So 4 factorial is 24 divided by n minus 3 equals to 6. Then we can cross multiply. When you cross multiply, what do you have? We have 24 equals to 6 times n, that's 6n. Then 6 times minus 3 is minus 18. Then we can bring this there. So we have 18 plus 24 plus 18 equals to 6n. So we have 42 equals to 6n. So from there, we can have n equals to 42 divided by 7. And the solution to that particular question is 7. So the value of n is equals to 7. So thank you for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.